Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn budgeted income statement. Last video we discussed about cash flow or cash budget. Okay, so this is me RABEEH OVUNGAL. Welcome back to EduCafia. Yes, in the last video we have discussed this much budgets, right? So today we are going to discuss budgeted income statement. So for doing budgeted income statement, we required some of guys from this and we required cash budget also. So without doing all these, we can't prepare a budgeted income statement. Okay. So budgeted, this is a budgeted income statement for our question, what we did in the last videos. So how this prepared? How this prepared? First of all, you have to keep it in mind that tax rate is 30%. Okay. Tax rate in income statement, we have to pay a tax, right? Tax that is 30%. Okay. That you have to keep it in mind. So how we got the sales? The sales happened. We know how the income statement sales will be there. That revenue, from revenue, cost of goods sold will be there. From there, gross profit will be there. Then again, we will sales and administrative expense will be there. Then we will get EBIT. From there, we will pay interest. Then we will pay tax. Then net income will be there. This is nothing but income statement, right? So, from where we got the sales? That we already having sales budget, right? In that sales budget, in April month we having 6 lakh, May month 7 lakh 15,000, June month 10 lakh 15,000. So 6 lakh, 7 lakh 15,000, 10 lakh 15,000. We got the sales. Very easy. Next, cost of goods sold. For cost of goods sold also we already had a budget, right? Cost of goods sold budget. In that 3 lakh 71,000 for April month. This 4 lakh 65,000 for May month. This 6 lakh 53,000 for June month. We already prepared. Next, gross profit. How the sales minus cost of goods sold is equal to cost profit, right? So 6 lakh, no need to write, but I am writing 6 lakh minus this 3 lakh 71,750 is equal to 2 lakh 28,250. That is our gross profit, right? So like this is deducting from this, we will get gross profit. This is deducting from this, we will get the gross profit. Then next is sales and administrative. Where is this sales and administrative? That is our non-manufacturing overhead. Manufacturing overhead already we considered in cost of goods sold. The sales and administrative is our non-manufacturing overhead. In this non-manufacturing overhead, in April month the total amount is there, May month is there, June month is there. Here, do we have to deduct this depreciation and bad debt and depreciation? No, that is in cash flow. This is accrual based. In accrual based, we need to have these expenses, right? So this total amount we have to take it. So this amount, this April month this much non-manufacturing overhead, and May month this much May month, and June month this much in June month. So that also we got it. Very easy. Next, EBIT. How EBIT? We are deducting this expense from gross profit, we will get DBIT, right? So this 2,28,000 minus this 1,75,000 is equal to 53,250. Here, if you deduct from this gross profit, you will get 99,300. If you deduct this from this gross profit, you will get 1,19,432. Very easy. Next, interest payment. Is there any interest payment in April? No. Is there any interest payment in the May? No. Is there any interest payment in the June? Yes. How I got this? I got this from cash flow budget. In cash flow budget, interest, one section is called interest. In April, there is no interest. In May, there is no interest. But in June, there is an interest, 1,100. That 1,100 we are showing in June month. So then tax. We got that in the question itself 30% tax rate is given. So of this EBIT 53,250 we have to find 30%. That is the tax, right? 15,975. That is this. And here 99,300, it's 30%, right? That is equal to 29,790. That is here. And in June month, it's 1,19,000. 432, directly you can't find 30% because there is an interest amount also. We have to deduct 1,100. It's 30%. That is equal to 56,799. That is here. We got tax also. Next, net income, very easy, right? We have to deduct this tax from this, then you will get 37,000. If you deduct this from EBIT, then you will get this. And we have to deduct this, not only this also we have to deduct from here. Interest also we have to deduct, right? Then you will get net income. This is all about budgeted income statement. Very easy, very easy. You got it? So very easy, right? For if in exam you are thinking like it's very easy, in the exam directly they are asking to find it out budgeted income statement. Then what you have to do? You have to do sales budget, production budget, material purchase budget, material usage budget, that blah 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 up to cash budget. Then only you can prepare this income statement budget. You got it? So next video we will prepare balance sheet budget. Okay. So see you on the next video. Bye bye.